Make sense, Backstreets with Cole, man. We rocking with your girl, man. We got the homie on the Backstreets. We finally linked up. I appreciate it, man. Now for your shit, man. Let everybody know who the fuck you is, where you from, and what you got coming if you don't mind.
Yeah, man, shit, this BINO, you feel me? Northside, Monroe Route, all these Monroe, that's 59 and all these Monroe.
Okay.
Feel me? I got my gang, you know. NRA, agency, MRP, 4Q.
Big agency,
Big agency.
the biggest age.
Okay.
IDB 28, Switch Brooks,
Gang
you know.
shit. All that shit is tied in. You know what
Okay.
I'm
I feel let the streets know what got you into music, how long you been rapping professionally, taking that shit serious.
Nigga been rapping since like 2015, like 2014, 2015, like, but a nigga really took it serious probably like, shit, when this hoe took it serious. Really? Cause watching this nigga
Okay.
made me, you know what I'm saying? So it's like shit, probably like 2 years ago when I took it serious, 2018, you know what I'm saying?
So watching the homie, you was like, fuck it, I'm gonna start doing music too?
Nah, I've been doing music, that's the thing, I've
Okay.
been doing music, but like, I was just fucking around. But I'm making good songs, you know what I'm saying? I'm making shit niggas really jamming, you know what I'm saying? So it's like shit. When I seen bro doing that shit,
Yeah.
I'm like, fuck it, let me take it serious too, bro. We just gonna push this agency.
Bro been rapping
you know what I'm
longer
saying?
than you too.
Yeah, I've been rapping since like 2015, 2014 though. Like,
You signed or is it all the way independent?
We all the way in. Ain't no
We
sign.
independent,
Oh,
everything.
What would y'all sign though?
Yeah, nah, Brooks signing.
Would I sign if the situation right?
Backstreets with Cole, he say fuck sign.
If the situation was right here, yeah, I'ma say if everything right, I'm signing that bitch.
Until then, it's real deal agency,
Okay.
same shit every day with you. That's what it is.
Okay, I feel it. And you do a lot of collabos just with in-house or you work with people outside the gang or what is that?
Shit, I ain't gonna lie, I work with anybody. Like, I got songs with shit, this nigga. I got songs with shout out my cousin Louis V. I got songs with him. I got songs with 4Q Boogie. You know what I'm saying? Shit, Isolated, F&B agency shit.
So,
you know?
yeah, okay.
So shit, yeah, I got songs with niggas and shit. You know
My
what I'm saying?
nigga
I'm
doing
finna start
songs
dropping.
with everybody and nobody at the same motherfucking time.
I feel it. Backstreet shit. Talk about with the gang a little bit. What was that inspiration behind that?
Shit, like, it's really like, it's like, it started out like really, it was, we was already fucking with each other, you know what I'm saying? We was all like, he from the hood, he from the hood, he from the hood, I bitch bro, that's the folks, so it's like, we just put this shit
More
together.
family than anything.
Yeah, it's
I'm
no
cool.
family, so it's like, we just put this shit together and was like, fuck with this.
What y'all, so what, same neighborhood, school, what is it? Like how y'all link
Like-
music, street shit, what?
Like, let me see how I can explain that, cause it's really like, it's mostly like, don't get me wrong, mostly like hood,
Okay.
but then it's like, you know what I'm saying?
I met bro in school.
Bro met bro in school,
Okay, I'm at
and then shit, like me and bro I've been knowing bro since he was a youngin'. We from the same hood. So,
That's my little brother.
and
You know
that's they
what I'm
brothers.
saying?
Okay.
That's our family. We family. And we
Introduce
ain't no
the
gang.
people to you. Yeah, plug everybody in.
Glizzy, you know what I'm saying? This no remorse Gene, you know what I'm saying?
28.
28, Pirates joke, you feel me?
Pot of dope,
Yeah.
Joe.
IDB 28, you know what I'm saying?
Joe, you know what I'm saying?
Man, they out here, man.
I got the hood. You know, I could have had the hood.
Nah, shit, you got him, my man, for real. How did you get your name? BINO, what's that about?
Like, you know, I fuck with the Gambino family. So, you know what I'm saying? The mafia, like, I always fuck with the Gambino family. So, like, at first my name was Gambino. Then I was like, fuck that shit. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, take the Gambino. I'm just rocking with straight Bino. You know what I'm saying? And then I Bino the plug. So, hey, shout out PRE Bino too. Yeah, I feel like you're going off on this shit. It's cool.
I feel that. Serious question, is it dangerous being a rapper?
Being a rapper?
Is it real dangerous?
Yeah. That's like one of the most dangerous jobs out here. Like, shit, cause think about it, like, man, I don't know what it's like. Cause like I said, I'm still in the
Dangerous being black.
I'm still in the hood.
Okay.
It's dangerous being black.
You know what I'm saying? It's
But more rappers get, as a lady, they being.
targets. It's like
That's 'cause
you'll
they
spot
black.
a rapper, you'll spot a rap nigga before you'll spot another nigga. Like
Ain't none of these
beefing
white
with
rappers
something.
getting killed because it's black. Black.
Rappers are targets.
Cause they
Facts.
black.
Because of what? The ice, the money, the beef, what?
All that
Okay.
shit.
We had all that shit before we was rapping though.
A nigga could be
Real
broke as
talk.
fuck.
That is true, but so why all of a sudden they dying at alarming rates then?
Cause it's like,
fuck that race shit.
It's not-
a nigga
yeah,
could
it
be-
ain't-
a
it
nigga
ain't
could
about
be
the
broke
race
as fuck. Nigga could be broke as fuck, but just by you being a rapper, they gonna think you
You're
rap.
talking. You're talking.
and then it's not about the black, cause it's black people kill black people. So like, you can't say cause it's black. It's black. That's the niggas is killing. That's who killing the rappers.
Exactly.
Niggas.
Exactly. So it's black on black crime,
No
nigga.
need for that. You feel me? It's all love for our people.
Nah, on some real shit. I be
Some real
bullshit.
G
But
shit.
on some real shit, niggas talk cause niggas get more popular. Niggas be trying to take niggas clout, bro. Niggas, if niggas feel like that they take you down, they gonna get some clout. So that shit really be about clout.
Cloud, yeah,
Okay.
that shit like the new drug nowadays.
Nah, for
I
real.
said it.
Like,
I said it. Said that 500 is on.
Nah, for real. Nah, for
Cause
real.
that shit like the new drug. Cloud is nigga want clout more than he want money.
Bro, we
Man, nah, real shit. Nah, real shit, for real, for real. You being in the game, is it like, how do you prepare yourself like from the bullshit? Cause I know you King Vuns, the Mo 3s, a lot of people been down. How do you like stay sane and all this shit?
Shit, really, like basically, you know what I'm saying? Just stay out the way, get my money, and don't entertain. Like that's what really be getting these rappers killed. They entertain niggas that.
Yeah, that's it. That's the rules of the game. Quick draw McGraw. All them niggas got killed because they ain't pulled that gun first. Man, don't take my shit. Quick draw McGraw. These niggas will be alive. Tupac will be alive. Biggie be alive. If they
Oh,
pull
shit.
that bitch first. That's
Backstreet
how I
to the
go.
coast shit, man.
And we ain't
That's
trying.
real shit.
I'm gonna say this too. Like I ain't the toughest nigga in the world.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Anybody can get touched, but it's how you move.
But I'm gonna pull my gun
It's
first.
how you move. Like it's how you move.
I feel
It's how
it.
you move. So like we live on that quick mile. Like one day we live on that quick drop McGraw shit.
That's our motto.
That's
Quick
our
draw
motto.
McGraw,
Like
for real.
like that's our motto.
Y'all don't
That's
take
from
it
the
from
mill
nobody.
route. That's from the mill
Yeah,
route.
that's-
Y'all heard it. Y'all heard it right now. All the email right. Man, y'all don't steal that, man, from these people.
Quick
Man.
draw McGraw.
Man, for real, for real. Talk about gangster stories, man, a little bit.
Oh,
Gangsta
shit.
story.
I got shot.
Oh, she talking about the fucking album.
And I got shot. And I got stabbed.
She talking about the music. Y'all go get that, bro. 'Cause really, that's a slept on project. That's really that's not like a Houston sound. Like Houston's starting to get a distinct style. Like, you know what I'm saying? You scooting, shout out, you know what I'm saying? RP Kitty Lou, you know what I'm saying? You scooting, or on the north you're bussing, you know what I'm saying? Or you're dripping. You know what I'm saying?
Or you trying to sound like Jigga.
But we got our own shit. We jixing. You feel
Okay.
me? We jixing.
What's the
We
meaning
jigs.
behind it?
That's just another word for like a come up.
Come on, okay.
We ain't like none of you
Anything
niggas.
could be your,
Like,
anything could be your jits, bro. Whatever y'all come up with, whatever y'all think going, you in the streets with it, that's your jits.
That's your jigs, like, you know what I'm
Maybe
saying?
you got a 9 to 5. Maybe that's
Like,
how
we
it
just
is.
we trying to create our own
Real
lane
shit.
type shit. You know what I'm saying? And free worthy. Shout out Big Homie SLN. Shout out JD. That's who started the G shit. We just, you know what I'm saying? Jumped in and pushed. You know what I'm saying? We got a couple niggas out there that hate it.
It is what it is,
Couple
bro.
of gang gang.
Could you call some peons out there? I think
Yeah, they hate
it was
it.
yeah.
It's cool. We don't
It's
pay
all
them.
love.
We
Zone 8.
We overlooked it.
Yeah,
Nah, for real.
that's-
Anybody that ain't never been to where you from, what it was like for you coming up out here?
Shit, I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna keep it real. Like for me, cause we all got our own personal stories in the hood. You know
Tell
what
them
I'm
your
saying?
story, though.
But I'm gonna tell my story like,
Okay.
like my story like, you know what I'm saying? My granny raised me. I'm a granny's boy. You know what I'm saying? Like I wasn't in the house with daddy and mama. My granny raised me, so you know what I'm saying? She go to work 6 a.m. She come home 7, 8 p.m. You feel me? So throughout all that time, I'm by myself. So what you think I'm doing? You feel me? I'm out here. You know what I'm saying? Young nigga out here, but at the same time, I was always like, I was smart. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Was you?
I was smart. I was
What you did?
the shit I did. Don't get me wrong. I done did some shit in the hood now.
You done did some shit in the
I
hood
done
now.
did some shit in the hood, like
Okay.
to where my niggas had to be like, look, bro, tripping, y'all chill.
Yeah.
You feel me? Little bro tripping, but no fuck
Yeah,
y'all.
bro stand on his own, though.
Like one thing about me, I always stood on my own in the hood.
Yeah.
Like you feel me? I never been the type of nigga to follow, or I was always nigga like, you know.
You was just on your own lane and shit like
I'ma
that.
do me like I don't.
Yeah,
I'ma always
that's
do
what I
me.
respect about him.
I'ma
He
always
him.
do me, bro. Always. I ain't gonna
What's
never
up?
try to do what another nigga doing, imitate what another nigga doing. I'ma always stay in my lane, and I'ma always, you know what I'm saying, show respect to the next man. But I ain't gonna lie to you, once I feel a sign of disrespect, you know what I'm saying, like the switch. Nigga, switch it up.
I feel that.
Talk, it turns to a whole different nigga, but you keeping the thighs with me, bro. I fuck with everybody, bro. That
Right.
fuck with me. You know
I
what I'm
feel
saying?
it.
I ain't the type of sister, same nigga.
Okay.
Kiss the shooter, he gonna be shooting like 3 or 4. Shout out Tag Productions.
Scrub is too, huh? This
Squab in the media. Yo, look Kebo. Yo, yeah.
Hey,
Shit
yeah,
show.
y'all
Shit
plugged
show. I was
in,
like,
man.
Squab business. Oh, yeah.
Big ain't Tracy
That's who we, you know what I'm saying?
yeah, y'all plugged in.
Yeah, nigga plug one thing with the cameramans in studios.
Yeah. What's some advice that you can get to the artists in the city?
Stop worried about the next man and what the next man doing. Instead of hating, lock in and tap in and let's build each other up, bro. Cause Houston, like, everybody in the world steal from us. You feel me?
Yeah.
Everybody in the world steal from us. So it's like, why is we beefing, bro? Why niggas don't want to fuck with niggas? Like, I've never understood that shit, bro. Cause it like I hate to say it, bro. But Atlanta, they pull each other up, bro. Everybody help everybody, bro. On my mama, everybody help everybody out there. But I hear
It's more better though.
it's
It's
good
over
though.
the
Hey, shout out, I ain't
years.
gonna lie, you know who I fuck with Sauce Walker, like tough, bro. I fuck with Sauce, cause bro is showing niggas like this is how you do it, bro. Cause he got niggas in TSF from everywhere, not just from the South. Rizzo from the North, you feel me? Like shit, Peso from Galveston County, like he got niggas from everywhere.
Man, big
so
facts,
bro.
bro.
Showing like
Sauce a motherfucker though.
I fuck with him.
He be
I fuck
finessing
with
this
him.
shit too though.
He the orange print out here, man. He the orange
I fuck with him. I fuck with
Sauce.
bro.
Like a motherfucker, man.
I fuck with bro.
Hey, one more thing for them artists that's coming up. Get you a solid team and rock
A solid team and rock
If
with
they ain't
them,
gang, they can't hang. Them new niggas is what the fuck you up, bro.
Hey, big facts,
bro. You
man.
gotta, get you
Nah,
a solid
for real,
team.
for
You gotta
real.
get you a solid team, cause that's every successful organization and anything was built off of a solid team. It wasn't
big
built off
facts.
one nigga.
Big facts.
Not one nigga, no matter what you're doing, selling music, selling dope, selling clothes. Nigga had a team. Nigga ain't do it by himself.
Yeah, this ain't no rap shit with us. I really love these niggas.
Yeah.
I really fuck with these niggas. These my little bros. I'm supporting
Like a
this
nigga call, like a nigga.
What
like,
make you fuck with the music
Well,
that
I
they
fuck-
doing?
The reason why I fuck with his music, cause he lit that shit. He ain't on no fake
Okay.
shit.
I ain't in my music.
Okay.
In my music, don't get me wrong. Like in my music, like Lil Bro is more so in drill shit. Like he really was one of the first Houston drill rappers, if you want to keep it
Yeah.
real.
I'm really
all
drill
the way.
shit.
I don't get me wrong. I'm most definitely in the streets.
Yeah.
But I like the ladies. You know what I'm saying? I like
I feel it.
I like auto tune. You know what I'm saying? I like to talk
Sing
about
to
getting
'em,
money.
yeah.
Like
The
you can drop your top. You feel me? You can drop your top to my music, like
Nah, for
with
real.
your lady. Smoke the wood.
Nah, for real. One more, man. Top 3 things you gotta have when you in the studio.
B? Oh man, I gotta have some weed. That's first. I'm talking about unlimited weed though. Like I don't want to have to go get no weed. It gotta I gotta be able when I want to roll up.
Unlimited weed.
When I want to roll up, it gotta be there. Weed, I need a kiwi strawberry Minute Maid. I need like 4, 5 of them hoes. You feel me? I need them hoes. And last but not least, bro, and they'll tell you, bro, I don't like a lot of people in my studio.
Okay.
Shit. Don't get me wrong, like certain ones will come, but I don't all that 100 niggas at your studio, like 20 niggas at your studio and shit. No. How can a nigga, I never understood, a nigga can't really just
Focus
make
in.
no live, like he can make some shit, I'm speaking on me, I'm not speaking on nobody else. I can't really function with a bunch of, cause my niggas be doing all kind of shit. It's all kind of shit going on, so it's like, I can't function, so in my sessions, bro, it's no more than 3, 4 people, and one of those people is the engineer. You know what I'm saying? Like, I like peace. That's when I make my big shit.
I feel that. BINO the plug in this bitch back streets with cold shit, man. We on the northeast, man. It's going down right now. Last minute shout outs. Anybody you want to send some love to before we get out of here?
Oh yeah, for shit show, you know what I'm saying? Shout out 4Q. You know what I'm saying? That's Ty, family ties. Shout out 4Q Boogie, that's my brother. You know what I'm saying? Shout out F&B agency, that's the gang. You know what I'm saying? That's gang.
Yeah,
Shout out my cousin Louis V. You know what I'm saying? Yo, hey, that's bro. Yo, you feel
Tap
me?
in.
On the way up, tap into him. You know what I'm saying? And shit, shout out to everybody that fuck with me, bro.
Shout out to the whole gang that's out here with you,
Shout
too,
out
man. I
Backstreet
appreciate it,
Coast
man.
and
No
shit,
problem,
so-
man.
Hey,
I appreciate that,
My
man.
folks with
I
the
appreciate that.
Backstreets with Cold, that's gonna be BINO. Yo, BINO.